You getting tired of your layabout life? Is that Mother Nature calling you? You sick and tired of waking up with the feeling that there's something more out there to do? There's another way to be. We can all be free. Come along with me, we're running wild. Past the fences and cages. Wild. Past the end of the tracks. We ain't coming back, we're running wild.
109, 110, 111.
Elliot, we're supposed to be picking berries for everyone, not stuffing our faces.
But I want to bring my liquor.
Oh, that was bad.
Go on, killer. Flush out some game.
Hunters, stay quiet.
Oh, those berries aren't sitting well.
Shh. Keep it clenched, E.
I can't. It's happening.
Run! We'll never lose them if you don't put a cork in it.
You try holding gas in when you're nervous.
Wait, do you hear that?
Gah! I can hear it with my nose.
Oh boy! So many animals to hunt! Master, come!
We've got to take care of this, E, or he'll lead the hunters right to us. And there's only one thing brutal savages like him respond to. A tough guy.
Oh, can I be the tough guy?
You can't be the tough guy. You're always too eager to please everyone.
Am not. I can be rough and tough, too. I mean, if it's all right with you.
Look, I'm the biggest, most intimidating animal in the camp, and you just ain't that scary.
Yeah? Well, today we're flipping the script, mister.
Observe! A masterclass in acting!
Hey, pal. Before things get ugly, I have just one question. Can I get you a steamed towel?
Oh!
Hey, cut that out! Or you'll forfeit your fluffed pillow.
Okay, fine. You be the tough guy.
Listen, killer. We don't like you, and you don't like us. But you'd better forget everything you saw here, or else.
What? You don't like me, but I like you. I love all animals.
But you're a hunting dog. Of course you hate wild animals. Why else would you hunt us down?
Hunting is me and Master's favorite game. Don't you just love it?
Right. Would you, excuse us?
So, how's it going?
Apparently, Killer here thinks hunting's just a game. He has no idea how bad it really is.
Yeah. He's either dumb as a rock, or just a way better actor than Elliot here.
How dare you insult my craft? You're just a bunch of unappreciative Philistines.
Why? They don't like bad acting either?
Look, can we stay on point here? If Killer's telling the truth, then we might just have a way out of this mess.
Boog's right. Killer is just a little misguided.
Or he's lying and just telling you numpties exactly what yous want to hear.
Yeah, come on.
Then we'll have to keep him tied up until we know we're safe. And I hope that doesn't mean forever.
If we can show Killer what he's been doing wrong, then maybe, eventually, we can be friends, and it'll be safe to let him go free.
Hey, I don't like this either, but Elliot's right. And unless anyone else got a better idea, we gotta give this thing a try.
I got a really good feeling that we're not gonna regret this. See, Killer? Wild animals don't like to be hunted. They like to play. And stay alive.
You're kidding, right? Animals love it when I hunt them. They make these hilarious, shrieky sounds like, ah! Then me and Master bring them home. I get jerky treats, and the animals get to live on our wall forever and ever.
On the wall? Tell me it's not just their heads.
Isn't that all you need? Hey, I really like it when he jumps around like that. Ow! Let's play!
Killer, stop! Stay! Down, boy!
Ow! Now that was a fun game.
Bad dog! See? I can do tough guy.
We may need to drive this home with a little show and tell.
No, it can't be true. Oh, sweet baby lassie, my whole life is a lie.
Yes, it is. But we can help you.
Really? Hun's in my blood. When I see something running, I just can't help but chase them.
You can change. Boog used to be domesticated. Now look at him, wild as the wind.
Look, if you want to go home to your master, you gotta prove to everyone that they can trust you.
They're scared that you'll tell you're human, and we'll all end up like Mr. Boris over there.
Wait, you're saying I can go home?
Maybe.
No. Yeah, what he said.
I won't ever tell Master about your camp. I swear. Oh, I swear.
Good. We believe you. Now you gotta make sure the others can too.
So how do I do that?
Make friends with them, Killer.
Oh, I can do that. I can make friends with them all. I mean, even with their heads still attached.
Killer, meet Carla. Carla, this is...
You should know better than to sneak up on a skunk!
Please, Giselle. We need just one camper to be friends with him.
Okay, I get it. I'll do it.
Yes! Oh, thank you. Say hello to...
Whoa, back off, bucko. Or this time you'll get a taste of old Ian's antlers.
Don't get Killer all riled up or...
Yeah, that's right. I showed you.
Hey, this is just too much fun.
Sound the alarm!
I was out just trying out to be your friend.
Chill, McSquiz. He's with us. Ow!
What? You think he's gonna curl up at your feet, do ya? Oh, that's a good boy, Killer. Could you take me head out to your mouth?
If it's not too much bother!
McSquizzy, you don't mean that.
Don't I? Didn't he say he's a killer through and through? Lock him up and toss the key.
This is horrible, Boog.
They ain't ever gonna trust that dog. And I can't say I blame him.
What if we took him somewhere? Somewhere far, far away?
Yeah, I thought of that. He'd still be able to track our scents back to camp. We need to face facts, see. We just can't risk everyone's lives on a gamble we can't guarantee.
Oh, who'd have thought when we started our dream that Camp Wild would have an actual prison?
Killer stays. For good this time.
For good? Then why do I feel so bad?
Master was right all along. You liars!
Everyone up! Killer has escaped!
It's okay, everyone. We found...
Whoa. False alarm. False alarm, everyone. Keep looking.
Why didn't you tell the others? Or just leave me in the pit?
But that'd make me no better than the hunters who put it there.
I swear, I'll never hunt again, as long as I live.
Go on, get out of here, before the others get back.
You think we did the right thing?
Well, E, what's your heart tell you?
Yeah, I hope. Do you think...
That's the last we'll see of Killer? Yeah, I think our lesson finally sunk in.
Wait, what do we tell the others? Boog, I have a brilliant idea. And there, Killer lay stewed at the bottom of a dark and dangerous pit, lifeless, gone, a victim of a hunter's trap. Oh, the horrible, bitter irony! No animal deserves that. No one! Not one!
All right, that's more than enough melodrama for one day.
Tell moi. Don't hold back. How good was that performance, Boogster?
Looks like it worked, but I might have a few notes.